So a lot of you guys asked me how to quote customer and how to cover the freight, right? And here I am gonna show you. Today we visited a customer and gave us few lots. He gave the pricing, but I'm gonna still go to load board and check. And another thing, a lot of people, when you're just starting out, they tell you, oh, load boards are so bad, don't go, don't do anything, you are horrible freight broker if you are using freight load boards, right? Please don't listen to these people. They don't want you to succeed, because that's how everyone starts and that's how everyone finds carriers in the beginning, especially, and also it is a good starting point for quoting. So long story short, what I'm gonna do, I have my computer, right? I'm gonna go and do post new shipment. Right here I'm gonna put the city, original city, then I'm gonna put the delivery city, I'm gonna put the equipment, right? This one is gonna be flatbed, I'm gonna put 48 feet, I'm gonna put, it's gonna be a little bit heavy, I'm gonna put 46K, and then I will show you what it is gonna show me on the DAT, and then we can go from there. So let's get it. So basically, first lane that he provided, it is 301 miles, and the customer is paying $1,100, and he said that it's okay, he can add extra $100 $200 because the fuel prices are going really crazy. But basically this is how you can see it, right guys? I'm gonna try to make it closer, but as you can see here, it's showing the mileage 301, and it is showing spot rate 1,279, from 1,273 to 1,339. So this is the average rate. Usually for 300 miles, that's like, usually is the price between 1,100 to 1,400, depending on which cities it is going, depending if there are any tolls or no, but that's how you check, right? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to pause these lots like for 1,000, right? So I will have like $100 and see if I can get phone calls. If I get phone calls, of course we're gonna negotiate, and then probably I will ask extra $100 or $200 from the customer, depending how much the carrier wants. So yes, like this is one of the simplest way, guys, to quote the customer, because even though this customer gave, but imagine if he didn't give the code, you still can go to the load board and see that average rate is 1,279, and then you can already have a starting point for posting and for also negotiating with the customer and with carriers. So that's how you guys do it. Please let me know if you have any questions.